Got a 2023 Nissan Rogue key fob here. Let's open it up to change the battery, okay? So flip it over, sliding button right here. Slide it over to the right, hold it down. Hold the button down with your thumb, okay? Then you can pull out the emergency key. Once you have it out, these little corners right here are where the silver meets the black, right here. We're gonna use a flathead screwdriver, a really small one. And we're gonna put it in here. This is to prevent any damage to the remote. You don't want to damage your remote now, do you? So put it in here like this. Give it a twist, okay? And it cracks it open without damaging your remote. Same thing right here. So let me show you right there. You see that? Little twist, opens up. We'll go on the side like this. Carefully pry it up and open. Back side is what holds the battery. Slot right here that helps you pull out the battery, get your new battery, the new CR2032 battery. That's the size with the positive sign facing down, goes into the holder like this. Okay, so it needs to slide onto those contacts there. If you need a battery, check the description box. There'll be a link takes you to Amazon if you need a battery. So click that, it's like $2. Then you get the two halves, put them together, start with the top, and work your way back all the way down till it clicks like that. Make sure you're all the way good. Emergency key goes back in and locks. You're all done. Well, I hope the video was quick, straight to the point. If you thought it was, appreciate it if you could hit the like button for me, or leave me a comment. Let me know how I'm doing, and hope to see you again in another video.